Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your BOSE Portable Home Speaker on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write BOSE. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. You can sign in into your account or create a new one, or you can skip it by click do it later, but I recommend it to enter to your account because without that you can't add the speaker to the application. So I'm going to sign in, and right here you need to write your email and password, and if you have an account, click right here, create one. After you wrote it, click sign in with email. Next, allow. Right here you can enable notification or you can disable it by click no thanks. I'm going to turn on it and allow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!